Hello guys, so welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So we were discussing about a specimen paper 4 for extended students. So we have already done till question number 11. This is question number 12. Okay. So question number 12 is the height 8 centimeter of each of 100 students is measured. The table shows the results. You can see the table here in which height in a range is given. So in each height, the frequency is also given here. So what do you mean by frequency? Frequency, just think like this, it is number of times. Okay, here we are discussing about students. Okay, so the frequency means number of students. So we can say we have 7 students whose height is in between like 100 less than height less than or equal to 150. We have 30 students whose height is 150 less than height less than or equal to 160. Okay, so the question is calculate an estimate of the mean. So if it is given like a range, so we have to find the midpoint. 100 and 150. What is the midpoint of 100 and 150? It is, just think, 100 and 150. What will be the middle one? It is 125, right? So if you don't know, what you can do is you can just take 100 plus 150 divided by 2. So you will get 125. Okay, so midpoint of this class is 125. Next one, 150 and 160. The middle number will be 155, right? So if you don't know 150 plus 160, this is a calculator paper, so you can use calculator. So you will get 155. So 160 plus 165 divided by 2 is 162.5. Then 165 plus 185 divided by 2, you will get 175. Okay, so now we need to find the mean. So to find mean, what you have to do is you need to multiply this, the midpoint and the frequency, that is 125 times 7 times 7 plus 155 times 30, 155 times 30 plus 162.5 times 41, 162 point, okay, 162.5 times 41 plus 175 times 22, 175 times 22, this is the numerator, whole divided by, you have the total frequency. Okay, you can take total frequency like this, 7 plus 30 plus 41 plus 21. So this total frequency means number of students, right? Here it is number of students. So total frequency will be total number of students. Okay, so total number of students is already given. So you can just take divided by 100. Now you can use the fraction button in calculator. 125 times 7 plus 155 times 30 plus 162.5 times 41 plus 175 times 22 whole divided by 100. Why I am telling each of the steps, everything I am repeating, because you have to take your calculator and you have to calculate. Because for so many students, what is happening during the exam is that they will just see, yeah, I know the calculation, everything will be correct, but the final answer will be wrong. So why it is happening? Because we will think that we know everything about the calculator. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to practice with the calculator, and also you have the formula book or formula sheet, right? In the first page you have formula sheet. So you should be using that when you practice for the final exam. So the answer is, you will get, you can change the fraction, change to fraction by using that SD button. So 160.375, 160.375. Okay, you cannot read it as 375. It's okay. Okay, so this 160.375, it is a terminating decimal, right? So terminating decimal, you have to write the same. The final answer, you can write the same number. If it is non-terminating, that means after decimal point, if you have so many numbers, it is repeating or something. If it is repeating like so many numbers, you have to change to 3SF if it is normal value. If it is money in dollar and all, you can change to 2DP. and if it is angle, you have to change it to 1 decimal place. Okay, 1 dp. So like that, here it is terminating decimal, so you can write the full number. So this is the answer. I hope the question number 12 is clear for you.